Welcome to this lesson, guys. Today we're gonna draw this simple camp scene with 3 tents, and this is the first lesson we're gonna use the perspective tool. I'm very excited, so let's get started. Now, as always, to start the lesson, let's pick the sketching here and the 6B pencil, the size to 100% and the color to pure black. The very first step is to select our guides. So click here on the actions and the canvas, and on the drawing guide, select the drawing guide and click Edit Drawing Guide. When the settings appear here, just click the Isometric grid. And the grid size will be, just make it 360. 363 or something around that. Okay, select the settings here and done. Now, when we work on perspective, the first thing we need to do is to draw the guides. Let's draw the guides. I will pick here the blue color. It doesn't matter what blue you will pick, just some blue. And the first layer here, select the layer. I will rename it to guides. Now let's draw the guides. So the tents are basically boxes. Now the first thing is to draw the guides. So select this square here, this one, and I will just make it more visible. See this square here? Now 2 more cubes. One and the second one. See, 2 cubes. Now here is the end cube and finish the shape like this. Now this one here. Alright, now this box will be the base for our tent. I will even move it to here to have more place for more tents. Now let's draw the other one. It's the same story. Here will be the 1 cube, like this. See? And now count 2 more cubes here. Follow the guides, and we have the second base for the tent. And now the third one will be the same as this one, but on this side. Here. Again. Two cubes. There we go. And this will be the base for the tents. The fire will be here. Just draw some oval shape like this. We'll later worry about the fire, but for now, these are the guides. Now let's draw the actual tents. So, create new layer here and select the black color. And now let's finish the tents. How to draw them? I will just make this layer with 50% opacity. Select again our main layer for the tents, and let's continue. Now basically we need to find the center of this cube. So here is the center. Now from this part, draw a straight line to the center of the cube here. And from this point again, select the center. See? Now when we know where the center is, like here, this is the center. Again, draw a straight line here to the center, and from this point, again, straight line to this point. There we go. Finish the shape. And you can add the straight line here, like this. And this is the tent, nothing fancy. Now let's draw another tent using the same technique. Now you remember, we need to find the center of the cube here, and from this point, straight line to this point. Now from this point, straight line to this point. And finish the triangle. Again, when you know where the center is, just create one dot here on the center and connect these two dots. Here we go. And from this point again, straight line to this point. And now let's finish the shape. Here, draw the straight line. And the last one. Find the center of the cube. There we go. Here and here. And let's connect the dots. Straight line. Another one. And finish the triangle. Again, find the center, connect the lines, down here from this point, connect to this point, and finish the shape. The straight line. Now the fire. Just draw some circles like this. And some basic flames. Now, see what will happen when we delete the guides. We have the tents. They are in a perfect perspective. Now, when we even turn off the drawing guide. And now to create this illustration more interesting, let's add some trees, but we don't have much space here, so click the arrow here, and I will use the uniform tool. Now let's make this smaller and place it in the center. Now let's add some trees and we'll be ready. We have one tree here. We can add another tree here. And another one here. and this will be for our isometric camp scene here. I hope you like it, and I will see you in the next lesson.